Hey guys, just wanted to show you a cool trick for using these Irwin Quick Clamps. This is the 12-inch, 300-pound capacity. So right now, I'm installing these guard posts on a elevated deck. We're about 9 feet off the ground, and these can come in real handy when you're working alone. So this is what I like to do, because they basically act as a third hand. You see how I've got this back? So you clamp that. Notice this is actually behind the center, and then this gives you something to set the post on, so you can work with your other hand and hold the post and get it nice and tight and positioned. Get it in place. Like it. So that's just to tack it, get it in place. Then I'm gonna plumb it with a level and all that, and I'll anchor it with Simpson Timber Screws. That's my favorite. Hope this helps.